Hello dancers, welcome back to our channel at Image Ballroom Dance Academy. Today I will be discussing the rolling of the arm in international style samba. Let's get started. Alright dancers, so let's discuss rolling off the arm in international style samba. Now please note that this step is mostly used for the followers, the actual rolling off. But I will show you a variation of what the leaders have to do also when you do this step. So let's take a look at the follower steps first. We're going to turn to the right and then we're going to come back and turn to the left. So please place your weight on the left foot. You're going to go side to the right leg. You're going to bring the feet together and drop the weight to your left foot and then go to the side with the right leg. Brush the left foot underneath the body, but do not change weight. Now you come back to the partner. So you go side with the left, rotate and bring the weight onto the right foot, and then push side and brush the right foot underneath. And if I do it quickly, I go right, left, right, left, right, left. Now, the leaders, you have an opportunity to do whisk while the follower is doing the actual rolling. So here's what you could do. Place your weight on the right and you're gonna go with the whisk to the left. 1, 2, 1, 2. So just to describe the whisk in detail, left to the side, ball of the foot behind, rock onto it and replace the weight to your left leg. Go to the side to the right and bring the left ball of the foot behind, rock onto it and replace the weight back towards your right leg. So that is the footwork for rolling off the arm. Alright, well done picking up the footwork. Now let's discuss the timing. The ladies, the followers, will have a flat timing and rolling off the arm. In the syllabus, it is 1, 2, 3, evenly distributed. So let's take a look. Place your weight on the left foot, you go to the right. So we're gonna go right 1, to the left 2, 3, and brush the left foot simultaneously. Go back to the left, 1, 2, onto the right, 3 with a brushing of the right foot under. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And since we do not have an we do not bounce. So please keep the action flat. Now, our leaders, since you're doing a whisk, I would recommend using 1, 2 rhythm. So let's start with the weight on the right. You're going to go towards the left and you're going to go 1 to the left, then you're going to have ball of the foot on replace the weight back on 2 to the left foot, and come back in, 1 to the right, ball of the foot and replace 2 to the right leg. A little bit quicker, 1, 2, 1, 2. And now we will demonstrate with my partner how this looks together. I've invited my partner Rangel to join me to show you how this looks in partner together, rolling off the arm. We're going to place our backs to you. So we're going to have this cuddle position. Leaders, you're going to take your right hand behind. Ladies, you're going to give the left hand onto the gentleman's right, and we're going to go out to the side. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Now we will face you so you can see how our arms are looking in the front. And 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Please make a note that I am counting my timing, not the leader's timing on this pattern. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope that the rolling off the arm is fun and successful in your dance practice. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and we will see you next time.